Assalamualaikum, children. How are you today? I hope that you are staying safe at home. Before start our lesson, let's recite the doa penerang hati and doa naik kenderaan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma aftah alaina hikmataka waishur alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Amin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin.
Okey children, sekarang teacher nak ajar doa naik kenderaan, okey? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanallazi sakhkhara lana haza wa ma kunna lahu muqrinin wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. Okay, my dear. There are 5 weather in Malaysia. First, sunny. Sunny. Panas. Panas, panas, panas. Rainy. Rainy. Tiba teringat satu lagu ni. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Cloudy. Cloudy. Windy. Windy. And the last one, thunderstorm. Stormy. Today's lesson about English, mathematics, and practical life.
Let's sing together. A. Allah makes apples. 1, 2, 3. Allah makes apples. Allah makes apples. Allah makes apples. Is a sound for A. B. Begin with Bismillah. 1, 2, 3. Begin with Bismillah. B, B, B. Begin with Bismillah. B, B, B. Begin with Bismillah. B, B, B. B is a sound for B. Cats on camel. 1, 2, 3. Cats on camel. Cats on camel. Cats on camel. Is a sound for C. These are delicious. 1, 2, 3. These are delicious. These are delicious. These are delicious. Is a sound for D. Empty eggshells. 1, 2, 3. Empty eggshells. Empty eggshells. Empty eggshells. Air is a sound for E.
Let's go to English lesson. write down day and date in English. Today is Thursday and date 25th of June 2020. Today's letter is letter L. L for lollipop. Ta-da! Okay, my dear. How to write capital letter L? Like this. Make a straight line downwards till the bottom and go to the right. For the small letter L, make a straight line from top to the bottom. Done. And the last one, how to spell lollipop. L O L L I P O P lollipop. Cha, now let's go to mathematic lessons. Today's lesson about number before. Number 1 until 20. Number before, you need to look from backward number. For example, this is number 5. Number before 5 is number 4. Another one. This is number 18. Before number 18, number 17. For this activity, we use this worksheet. This is number 3. Before number 3 is number 2. Write down here 2. This is number 14. Before 14 is 13. So write down here. This is number 10. Before number 10 is number 9. Write down here. This is number 18. Before number 18, 17. So, write down here. This is number 7. What is the next number? What number comes before 7? Good, number 6. So write down here. This is number 11. What's number before 11? Number 10. Very good. So write down here. This is 16. So what number before 16? Before 16 is 15. So write down here. This is number 6. So, what number before 6? 6. Before 6 is 5. Good. So write down here. Number before is done. Okay. Our last lesson is practical life. Tada! Our practical life today is spooning rice. Carry the tray containing the spoon and 2 bowls. One with rice to the table. Then pick up the spoon with your thumb on the top and middle finger supporting the handle. Scoop up a spoonful of rice and pass over the bowl. Slowly move the spoon over to the center of the empty bowl. Lower it, then tip the spoon such the rice slide off. Repeat until the first bowl is empty. Spooning rice is done. Okay children, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel YouTube. Bye.